All right. So for this assignment, which is called the Southeast Middle School bumper sticker, we're gonna go ahead and use this existing file. Okay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna create a bumper sticker for our school based on a club. So the directions here says design a bumper sticker for the students of Southeast Middle School. You're gonna create a custom document, and that's gonna have the width of 10 inches by 3. You're gonna use school colors, and you're gonna add a clip art such as the eagle, which is attached there. So you're gonna have to click on this one, and then download the image. Okay, and then you're also gonna make sure that the bumper sticker is to support a specific sport or program or club that is offered here at SEMS. Okay, so not necessarily it doesn't have to be an existing club. It could be something that you create, and we're gonna be looking for different graphics for that. So you're gonna go to Photo P, and you're gonna go to New Project. So we're not gonna select any of this here. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go where it says New Project, where it says Name. We're gonna go and change that to Bumper Sticker. Next thing here, we're gonna go and change the pixels. We're gonna make sure that it's in inches, since we're doing a custom shape. So we need to make sure we do 10 inches width, and then the height's gonna be 3. The DPI leave it at 72. Background is white, and you're gonna go ahead and hit create. So now you have your layout for this bumper sticker. So there's many ways of doing this. So let me show you guys some examples here. All right, there was this one. Here we go. It's a PNG. So what it has a base of red, and then it has this black going around, and then that's the background. And then you also have these graphics, right? We have the text, which is also has the has that 3D look. Same thing with the eagle. And then I found a graphic for the cooking club, and then I also found a different font for that as well. Okay, let's see. There's other ones. So soccer team. Let's see here. What do we have here? There's a art club. All right, volleyball. Okay, so your goal is to make sure you create a bumper sticker. So first, let me show you what I'm gonna do first. So I'm gonna click on the rectangle tool. I'm gonna click on the rectangle, and I'm gonna draw an oversized rectangle right over towards the bottom. I know the school colors are red, so I'm gonna go and switch over to this red one. And then I'm gonna go and place a stroke on it. Okay, you could either do it through here on the top, or you could go to the effect menu at the bottom here and do stroke. And it's already black here, so I'm just gonna go ahead and increase it here. Now, you also have the option, so I'm gonna use the move tool, and I'm gonna rotate it. If you wanna rotate it, make it look different, it's really up to you. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep it just like this. Now the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring in that logo of the eagle. So I'm gonna go open in place. Where is it? Where is it? School logo, PNG, perfect. So that's what you have here for the logo. So I'm gonna give it an effect. So I'm gonna click on the effect, and I'm gonna do a drop shadow. What that does, it allows it to have that drop shadow there. Okay, so I clicked on that and then hit OK. Now I'm gonna go ahead and place it here to the left hand side here. The next thing I want to do is I'm gonna go ahead and create a text box, and I'm gonna type in the word South East Middle School. Well, this is happening because my text is white, so I'm gonna go and select the text. See if I can change it to a white. Oh, sorry. Let's go with the red. Okay. Well, I misspelled school, so I'm gonna go in there. Southeast Middle School. And I'm going to do some further changes to this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead, let's see, move this here. I'm going to go ahead and click on this option here. It says character. I'm going to click on that. And what that does, it gives you the same options that you have up here. Now there are a little bit more options down here. Okay, so first, let's see what font I want to use. Test it out. I want something that stands out. Okay. And then I could also increase the size here. And then, so tracking gives more space between each character. Now you also have this where it kind of extends or stretches out the text, and then this one does similar things. Okay, and then the paragraph option here is if I want to move it to the right. Now let's say if no, I'm gonna keep it just like this. Now the other option here is make sure I'm clicking on that same layer. I'm gonna give it an effect. I want to go and give that text a stroke. Now 24 is too big, so let me go and minimize this. Here we go, 7 black. So now it stands out a little bit more. Now I'm noticing that the eagle is in front of the word middle, so I want to go ahead and move that eagle school logo layer below the fonts so that it sticks out. Okay, so there you go. Click on that. Let me click on the thing there. Now, I might have done this font too big. So let's go and make this a little bit smaller. There it goes. So that my other work could fit in there too. I also could have done it all the way across. Well, it's not gonna work that way. Let me change the paragraph. There you go. So the next thing is I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and insert a graphic. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do anime. So let me see, I'm going to go open a PNG file that I created. So I'm going to go open in place. Here we go. Hopefully that's the right one. So it's a PNG. I want to go ahead and place this behind the shape. So I could go and move it to behind the shape. Not liking it so much, so I'm going to move it back to the front. Okay. And then what I want to do is do another text box that's going to say Anime Club. Now I'm going to do the same thing, select it all. I'm going to find an appropriate font for that one. So let's see what we have. Don't like that one. Maybe that one. And because I am in front of the red, I might want to turn this text into a white one. And then I could go ahead and give it a stroke of black. So it stands out a little bit more. Oops, I created a separate layer. Here we go. Let me select this, make it a little bit larger. Structure the box so it fits. Okay, so what I'm looking for is that you go ahead, use the school colors, use the ego. Now let's say if I wanted to make this anime, sorry, and I forgot to teach you guys this drop shadow there. See how it has that drop shadow? You could do that for this one as well. Effect, drop shadow. Okay, you can even do it for the character there. There goes this one, drop shadow. Because it is a PNG, it'll allow you to do it. Okay, so once you have that, so you have Southeast Middle School, you have Animate Club, you have your club, you have some kind of sort of graphic that relates to the club, and then you have your what's it called, the school's logo on there. Okay, so once you're done with all that, you're gonna go to export as PNG, and you save it, and then you're gonna go ahead and submit it into your assignment.